prize here. Kuya LJ and Ate Christine here. Anyway, both of you will be given a prize for me, a consolation prize rather. Okay, 6 players left. Eto na, ikot sayaw. Eight to 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kuya Britney is already out. Palakpak naman dyan for Kuya Britney dyan. Okay. Okay. 2 more rounds. 3 more rounds. Ikot. Sayaw. Group yourself into 2. Out na si Kuya. Thank you very much, Kuya. Only one more white circle there. Okay, last 2 rounds. Here's our next music. Group yourself into 3. 3. Kuya Alfred is already out anyway. Thank you very much, Kuya. Okay, last round already. Last 3 players. Here's our last music.
Gotta get. Gotta get. Gotta get. Gotta get.
Thank you very much, Ate Irish. Let's give a round of applause for the 2 boys who won the game. Wala bang pala.